1. Cymose inflorescence is present in A. solanum, B. sesbania, C. trifolium, D. brassica. A is the correct answer. 2. Radial symmetry is found in flowers of A. brassica, B. trifolium, C. pisum, D. cassia. A is the correct answer. 3. Flowers are zygomorphic in A. mustard, B. gulmohar, C. tomato, D. datura. B is the correct answer. 4. Distribution of petals in the flower of cotton is correctly shown in D is the correct answer. 5. How many plants in the list given below have marginal placentation? Mustard, gram, tulip, asparagus, arahar, sunhen, chili, colchicum, onion, moon, pea, tobacco, lupin. A4, B5, C6, D3. C is the correct answer. 6. Name the family having 9 plus 1 arrangement of stamens. A. Solanaceae, B. Asteraceae, C. Liliaceae, D. D is the correct answer. 7. Identify the given diagrams and mark the correct option. A. ADR compound while B, C are simple leaves. B. ADR simple while B, C compound leaves. C. ABR simple while C, D are compound leaves. D. ABR compound while C, D are simple leaves. B is the correct answer. 8. Leaves are situated on A. nodes, B. internodes, C. T, D. none of these. A is the correct answer. 9. The wheat grain has an embryo with one large shield-shaped cotyledon known as A. scutellum, B. colubtile, C. epiblast, D. coleorhiza. A is the correct answer. 10. Correct position of floral parts over thalamus in mustard plant is A. Gynoecium is situated in the center and other parts of the flower are located at the rim of the thalamus at the same level. B. Gynoecium occupies the highest position while the other parts are situated below it. C. Margin of the thalamus grows upward, enclosing the ovary completely, and the other parts arise below the ovary. D. Gynoecium is present in the center and other parts cover it partially. B is the correct answer.